So I am somewhere in a freezing Staten Island, and we're gonna put this fender on this bike, bring it back to OEM, because this fender that's on here is fucking nonsense, and it is cold here. There's these kids in shorts playing baseball, bro. It is so fucking cold here. You got some fog over the top of the Verrazano Bridge over here. It's cold. This is like a maritime climate on this place. I don't usually fuck with Staten Island. I think this is like the first time I've ever like went somewhere in Staten Island other than just going through it, you know? Alright, I'm going to try to get this all together. It looks like somebody just cut this wiring to put this aftermarket bullshit on here. So I should be able to just plug this back in. There's a harness here. This looks like this is going to be easy. So check back in a couple of minutes. Hopefully when everything's together. And then we'll be out of here. Alright, so here's the completion. It's actually filmed a week later, but you know, things just got in the way. But anyway, so yeah, the fender was reinstalled. It actually took me about, I mean, quite honestly, less than 10 minutes. I was lucky because the plugs and the wiring harness weren't cut. An adapter was made from the previous taillights to fit on here. The taillight lens itself isn't perfect. And a lot of people will say, oh, it's stupid that I put this OEM on here and removed the aftermarket one that a lot of people thought was cool, including the guy that I bought the, you know, this OEM fender from. But I'd rather just have the OEM shit on here. That's just me. I'm going to see if I can track down an OEM fender, because when I ride in the rain, it just splashes everywhere. Although this fender does look cool, you know, it's whatever, but yeah. So I'll put everything together, and this will be a complete video on something just, I don't know if it interests anybody, but just, you know, put the OEM fender back on.